Sanibonani, Dumelang, Molweni, Absheni. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kanyisile Tibe. I'm a foundation-based teacher and I teach grade 3s. And to my returning subscribers, honestly, I really appreciate you guys for watching the videos, the comments, and the likes. We are still on the problem solving series. I am going through various problem solving or word sums, solving them using different types of strategies that we use in grade 3. And today I'm going to work on sums. It's 2 sums that I want to do solving them using the T table. Okay, let's get on to the first sum. Okay, this is our first example that we're going to work on. On my previous video, we worked on a multiplicative word sum, but we solved it using arrays. This multiplicative word problem, we are going to solve it using the T table. Okay, Zoe packs 5 bags of oranges. There are 3 oranges in each bag. How many oranges does Zoe pack? We are going to solve this word problem using the T table. So we have bags, and we have oranges. We know we have 5 bags. The total number of bags is given. However, there are 3 oranges in each bag. What we don't know is the total number of the oranges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. With caps, we are expected to introduce multiplication using repeated addition leading to multiplication. I am going to show you 2 ways. I will start with the repeated addition way, still using the T table, and I will also show you the multiplication method of solving this sum using the T table. With this word sum, we know that there are 3 oranges in each bag. So in the first bag, there are 3 oranges because each bag has 3. What we don't know is the total number of oranges in how many bags? 5 bags. Now, in 2 bags, they are going to be 3 plus 3 oranges, right? Equals to 6 now. In this bag, there will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now we have how many bags? How many oranges? 9. The 4th bag, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Then we get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We have 15 oranges in how many bags? In 5 bags. They are 15 oranges. This is for a learner that has not yet developed their multiplicative reasoning. However, let's now do another T table using multiplication. It's bags, oranges. We know that we have 5 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in each bag, there are how many oranges? 3. So it will be the 1 times 3 gives us how many oranges? 3. 2 times 3, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, we get a 12. 5 times 3 gives us 15. So how many oranges are in 5 bags? There are 15 oranges in 5 bags. So do you see the progression now from the repeated addition to multiplication? It depends how your child understands it. If they understand this method, kudos, good for them. Eventually, they will get to this multiplicative method. Eventually, if a child can do any of the 2, they are still correct. Now let's get on to another example. Here's another example. Diana gives 6 children some sweets. Remember, when we are doing problem solving or a word sum, we always encourage our learners to identify important facts. So you read the word sum, we read it together as a class, we analyze it together before we lay it out. We highlight important facts. Diane gives 6 children some sweets. She gives each child 5 sweets. Each child gets 5 sweets. And how many sweets does Diana give out? We have children and we have sweets. And how many number of children do we have? 6. Let's plot our T table. We have children and sweets. How many children do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are we looking for here? How many sweets does Diane give out? We want the total number of sweets she gave out. We know the number of children. Now we need to figure out the total number of sweets that she gave out. Now, we are going to do the multiplication T table. Then it will be 1 times 5, because each child got 5 sweets. It will be 1 times the 5 sweets. 2 times 5, 10 sweets. 3 times 5, 15 sweets. 4 times 5, 20 sweets. 5 times 5, 25. And 6 times 5 gives us 30. So how many sweets did she give out in total? 30 sweeties. Okay. So this is how we solve using the T table. However, as I mentioned earlier, if your child has not yet developed the multiplicative reasoning of this T table, allow them to work it out using the repeated addition method. Still using the T table. It's acceptable. They are correct. This is how they understand it. Give them the platform. Allow them to solve it using this method. However, this is the recommended method that a learner should be able to do, especially now that we are in term 4. It's towards the end of the year. Children should be able to work it out using this multiplicative T table. I really hope this helps a child out there, a teacher, a parent that's helping their child with homework and they are struggling with this strategy. So this is how it's done. And if you have watched up to this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, comment, share it with your peers, share it with other parents, share it with other teachers, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you.